we're going to turn regular coffee filters that have been drawn with marker and then wet and dried into cherry blossoms. So cut a coffee filter into quarters and you'll end up with this little pie slice. Fold from the bottom up about 1/3 and then fold the tip back down. Press creases into place. Then pick up your coffee filter and you're going to make a little bit of a cone. And you're going, if there's a longer side, you're going to put the longer side in front. Grab your coffee filter from the bottom and fold twice to secure. 1, 2. And then just fold your coffee filter around the sides. Grab the bottom and kind of press down, fluff it up. Make it so you like the look and shape. And then you can turn these into, glue these to branches and make a little cherry blossom arrangement if you like. Let's try it again. Take your quarter piece of coffee filter, fold up into thirds, back down again, press into crease, fold this around, fold once, twice, plump, and you're done.